Welcome to Spandana Holistic Health Center, Bangalore. Let us practice this deep relaxation technique now. Lie down. Keep your legs apart, hands sides of your body, palms facing the roof. Become aware of your body now. Feel the contact area between the floor and your body. Now awareness on your breathing. Just be witness to your breathing process. Inhalation and exhalation going on automatically, rhythmically. Once you watch your breathing movement, observe that the process of breathing becomes normal and rhythmical. Let us practice this part by part relaxation now, starting from toes. Gently move your toes. Relax all the toes. Sensitize your both the soles. Now awareness on your ankles. Both the ankle joints are totally relaxed. Bring your awareness on your calf region now. Each and every muscle around your calf region are totally relaxed. Now awareness on your knee joints. Pull up your kneecaps and relax your whole knee joints. Now awareness on your thighs. Each and every muscle around your thighs, front of the thigh, sides of the thigh, back of the thigh, all are totally relaxed. Bring your awareness on your seat region now. Gently squeeze up your buttocks and relax them totally. Now awareness comes to your pelvic region. Each and every part in your pelvic region are totally relaxed. Your whole lower part of the body is totally relaxed. Relax. Totally relax. Relax. Totally relax. To enhance this state of relaxation into deeper and subtler level, let us chant a syllable now. Inhale deeply and loudly chant Feel the vibrations of chanting traveling throughout your lower part of the body, taking you into deeper and deeper relaxation. Now awareness comes to your abdomen region. Abdomen is bulging up while you inhale, and while you exhale it is sinking down. Through this process, relax each and every muscle around your abdomen. Likewise, your flanks, sides of abdomen are also totally relaxed. Now awareness goes inside the abdomen. Each and every organs inside the abdomen, your stomach, spleen, liver, kidneys, the whole intestine, pancreas, ureter, bladder, each and every organs are totally relaxed. Once this organs are relaxed, feel the free flow of energy in throughout these organs happening naturally and rhythmically. Once this prana, the biovital energy, moves in these organs rhythmically, feel that all the organs inside abdomen are functioning very normally and rhythmically. Slowly bring your awareness on your chest region now. While you inhale, chest is expanding, and while you exhale, it is collapsing. Through this process, all the muscles around your chest region are totally relaxed. Now awareness goes to inside the chest region, mainly your lungs. Each and every cells in your lungs are totally relaxed. While you inhale, the cells are stimulated, and while you exhale, they are relaxed. Through this process, relax your whole lung region. Gently awareness on your heart region. Visualize your heart and relax each and every cells in your heart totally. Once you relax your heart, feel the free flow of energy throughout your heart region. Through this process of energy flow, your heart is becoming very normal, and functionally it is becoming more efficient. The function of the heart, pumping of blood from the heart, is happening naturally and rhythmically. Each and every cells in your whole body is nourished by this pumped blood from your heart. Now awareness on your low back region. Each and every muscles around your low back are totally relaxed. Likewise, upper back and mid back region, all the muscles around your upper back and lower back region are totally relaxed. Visualize your whole spinal column and relax each and every part in your whole spinal column totally. Now awareness comes to your shoulder region. Each and every smaller muscles around your shoulders are totally relaxed. Now awareness on your fingers. Gently move your fingers and relax each and every smaller joints in your fingers totally. Sensitize your palms. Gently move your wrist joints and relax them totally. Relax each and every muscles around your forearm region now. Relax your elbow joints. Relax your biceps and triceps muscles. The whole upper limbs are totally relaxed. Your whole mid part of the body is totally relaxed. Relax. Totally relax. Relax. Totally relax. To enhance this state of relaxation into deeper and deeper level, let us chant one U syllable now. Inhale deeply and chant U. vibrations of Wu chanting moving throughout your mid part of the body, taking you into deeper and subtler relaxation. Gently, awareness moves to your neck region. Each and every muscles around your neck region, front of the neck, sides of the neck, back of the neck, all are totally relaxed. Inside the neck region, mainly your voice box, your foot pipe, your windpipe, all are totally relaxed. Now awareness goes to your lower jaw region. All the muscles around your lower jaw are totally relaxed. Likewise, muscles around your upper jaw region are also relaxed. Awareness on your mouth region now, mainly your teeth. Relax your whole teeth. Relax your gum region. Let your tongue fall down inside your mouth cavity and feel the relaxed tongue region. Now awareness on your lips. Both the upper lip and lower lip are totally relaxed. Have a beautiful smile on your face, suggesting that your whole face is totally relaxed. Now awareness comes to your nostrils. While you inhale, feel that the cool air is entering inside your nostrils, and while you exhale, warm air is going out. Visualize that while you inhale, all the positive energy from atmosphere is entering into your body, and while you exhale, all the toxins in your body, all the negative thoughts in your mind are flushed out. Now awareness on your eyes, your eyelids, eyelashes, eyeballs itself, all are totally relaxed. Relax your cheek region now. Relax your temple region. Both the ears are totally relaxed. Now bring your awareness on your forehead region. Relax your whole forehead region. Likewise, crown of the head, sides of the head, back of the head, all are totally relaxed. Now awareness enters inside the skull region, mainly your brain. Each and every cells in your brain are totally relaxed. Once you relax your brain region, feel that free flow of energy throughout your brain region. This process takes the function of the brain into very normal condition. Your whole head and neck region are totally relaxed. Relax, totally relax. Relax, totally relax. To enhance the state of relaxation into deeper and subtler level, let us chant one M syllable now. Inhale deeply and loudly chant Feel the vibrations of M chanting moving throughout your head and neck region, taking you into deeper and subtler relaxation. Now gently look at your whole body. Each and every cells in your body are totally relaxed. Each and every muscles fibers in your body are totally relaxed. To enhance this total relaxation, let us chant one Om syllable now. Inhale deeply and loudly chant Om. Beautiful relaxation happening after this Om chanting. All the cells in your body are getting the stimulation of Om chanting. Now your awareness comes out of your body. From outside, gently look at your whole body. It is lying down as a wooden stick. Ignore the state of your body and your awareness starts its journey of expansion. It is becoming bigger and bigger to the size of this whole hall, still growing and growing to the size of this whole city, growing further and further to the size of this whole state, still continues its journey of expansion to the size of this whole country now, still growing and growing to the size of this whole earth. Awareness continues its journey of expansion into the size of this whole solar system, still growing and growing to the size of this whole universe. Your awareness is as big as this universe now. You are encompassing this whole universe. You are merged into that universal consciousness. You have become one in that universal consciousness. In that state, you are feeling total joy, total happiness, total bliss. Enjoy that state. Stay there for a while. And slowly your awareness, charged with that universal energy, is collapsing and collapsing to the size of this solar system, still collapsing and collapsing to the size of this whole earth, becoming smaller and smaller to the size of this whole state now, still smaller and smaller to the size of the city now. It is becoming still compact and compact to the size of this whole hall now, keeping all the energy within you. Your awareness is now becoming as big as this whole body now. But you are still out of your body, and from outside, gently look at your body. It is lying down as a wooden stick. As you become aware of your body, feel the movement of breathing in your body. Inhalation and exhalation is going on, and while you inhale, your charged awareness is entering into your body, and once this energy of awareness enters into your body, feel that each and every cells in your body is booming with that universal energy. As you become aware of your body, in the sign of this awareness, gently move your legs and hands. And with few blinks, slowly open your eyes. And now slowly come to sitting posture.